I just move a factory mine. Just say, Papa will take bold decisions. Africa mine, South Africa wo Nigeria wo Egypt wo Tunisia wo. Yes, vaccine babo, no dimrika, no dinka ko order 20 million for the citizens. Vaccines are eba kwasia Captain Smart better na waka kire bo Angel FM say ukowa obeda ne ado ya abo to so no on person Ghana be ye on person Ghana be cause wonti no obetu fubone na me poni pa baako me pe Captain Smart na ebu na nkasa no me kan kire ye say wa hu nipa baako okowo sa de na owo wie ye wada ne ado ya na aboa bibia na mo die joke. Akufo-Addo talk about Ghana and Okofa vaccines by. The party NDC is only made just to make propaganda, win power, steal, create, destroy everything they came to meet. Now, say, there are evidences of what they've done. And yet, Ghanaians seems to forget. Me pato, and the wine they there sumu for 4 years, close to 5 years, because continue to the bill. Or my electricity bill, no, or the third dying at the Europe Yoto. Or my electricity bill, no, yet this is the hotels for Dubai. Or my no, electricity bill, no, yet the third dying man Mao East Legon, yet the big man's bill, no, they told be Korea men be here, no. What changed? And then I'm coming clear, I'm coming real, and I will prove to everybody say, me bet Gina ha in January. I me catch him say, I seen Empino, Jason Quays, no, so one year of free Toronto, I call you know. My young research. Now, Quambia, men, I'm so as Papa way, you're betting a coming free in some, you're betting a coming free in some, because Sadamu Sakandi. In blessed memory. So or no, to me now punishment no condemn mudia. And the na Jomoro Empino Fantana Mame, she's not immune. And the na Jason Jetty Quaison Canadian lecturer. He is not an exception. And I'm a catcher I will say. Information be a from the pay stop, from the payroll be a I bet I say enyam pebiano me make sure say papa we you best in from nanim na down obi ancho nanim papa your two way Canada ni papa no Canada. This man Canada ni MP onye mo twa nanim ye na afa mi de beka asem akyere mo asem a mi beken. Just keep the message like this for me. Keep no here. I'm change BBA, my missus. Keep we are. Me person for papa we the number the castle. Because the time has come for truth to be spoken to power. I told me go say why can't say Oja NDC. Nebi no here, and I'll show you why people like that will be angry. Sure. NDC for current executives they are not there for Ghana. They are there to chop. Because Eban is saying, and per the constitution, per our electoral rules, you lay foundation down of how our parliamentarians are supposed to be elected and selected. Our guidelines, new rules down. Now, order seni, say one dear, or when you say you be a empty or begging Canada seeker. Now, what's the MP or Ghana because NDC there, idea your baller goods to be almost pay. Essence NDC there, idea yet in Tanlebia NDC for pay. The here is a Woska. They knew the executives of NDC. Our Central Region. Nobody in PFA say this man does not qualify to be an MP at the time when he was representing himself as an MP. But an MCK Mubejinti. And now Siko Munim se Canadian Boga de Bebenti. NDC for Buomani Guso. NDC forgot about the constitution, the laws, our electoral processes. They forgot about everything, took money from this man, and decided to kick out. And this is the part that bleeds. And come here, this near come befu. What we NDC foot soldier? What some party? And do Susan Council person can try to obey MP. What she said with near me and no cranty what on your courses near the idea. A baby, what you Nanka, what you may represent to constituency. Because when I want to constituency, and do the only the course. Now, NDC for executives say what central region or vete. I shall NDC Niba what Ghana. Ya call demonstration a wukobi. Ya call one a wukobi. Ya call meeting a wukobi. Ya call congress a wukobi. Ya tuya news a wutuabi. Obi ma mi wa your contribution. Our constituency ho. Now ya show when him say. Esan se wuni sikenti. What it? Esan se wuni sikenti. Ye den. Senase. Esan se wodi to meet your delegate, no, sa delegate did the full of one or more food and nama. Almost to be my and can be before as some way out to no more G delegate for and we delegate for a G papisica. And no more pamo or be out your party back. Oh, and this my wire party, Juma. Ah, the brass one and care reward. Yes, a Canadian bugger back. Yes, a Canadian bugger or the Canadian dollars are back. And the young Pamu, no more person, obey executives, no. Abbey, young Pamu, near Famano, uncle. Papa, we are not that way. Unia, me, I may be research. Now, I'm starting to send me the Papa Wechi. Now, my last research, I may or Papa Wechi. Or that so Jenny Sika will Kromuha. When I had the info, or that so edging the pay, our ha. Or that so Jenny pay because. The process is a goyans or the akofa about a paper ne the akostandino. 1 year we. But end this year, who the sikaba? Sabe, ne yira kuma kuro betume ku ne yira to ne yira kuma ma who the sikama end this year. Who the sikama end this ni ba? Wo betwitwa e de agunku abo amanu kuno. Yes. Suba yo mutimu no. Because the ye hu ani nyafo. Yendiska. In this guy, that is all they know. That is all this party called NDC know. And they sidekick people who could have been MPs, threw them on the side, and instead did what? Did all that they can to project this man as the hero. Yet to abandon and the Koban say. This man does not deserve to be an MP. And then will become the NTI. He doesn't deserve to be an MP. This man does not deserve to be an MP. Or he's not qualified to be an MP. So he should not hold himself as an MP. And the NDC for NDC are born and the MP before so born.